Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very refreshing lemonade, watermelon hibiscus lemonade that I know you guys are going to love and is perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This watermelon hibiscus lemonade, these are the ingredients: 1 liter of water, hibiscus, lemons, a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, of course the watermelon, and ice. This is everything we need to refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. So let's get started. Here I want to start by first making my simple syrup, and I'm using 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. And now I am ready to put it on the stove, cook it for a couple minutes until it's boiling. Right after it's boiling, I'm going to turn it off, put it aside, and let it come to room temperature. And of course, I have organic lemons from my garden. And with this little gadget, I am going to take out all the juice from these lemons. I'm not leaving anything behind. Of course, we are going to use 1 cup of lemon juice. Here I have the hibiscus flower that I'm going to rinse through running water. And then I am ready to just add some water right on the top. Let it rest for a couple of hours, 3 to 4 hours. And then, of course, it's going to change color. It's going to start releasing the flavor and the color into the water. I have cubed 4 cups of watermelon, and I'm going to start adding it to my NutriBullet cup. Yes, I'm not using my regular blender, because if I do use my regular blender, my lemonade is going to be nice and spicy, and that's exactly what I don't want. I have my NutriBullet, which I use only for smoothies and my lemonades. And now I am ready to add the pinch of salt. Of course, the pinch of salt is going to bring up all the amazing flavors of the fruit, of the watermelon and the hibiscus, and it's going to bring down the lemon acidity a little down. So I am going to continue blending away all the 4 cups of the watermelon. Let me tell you, this combination of watermelon and hibiscus, it's so refreshing, it's so penetrated, that I'm sure you guys are going to love it. Just make sure that when you make this amazing lemonade, you put it through a sifter. You don't want your lemonade to be really clumpy. So I am going to put through a sifter the watermelon. I'm going to obtain all the water, all the juice, all the flavor. Helping myself with the spoon, I'm going to be moving it around, making sure that I get all that amazing flavor and liquid from the watermelon. All the rest of the fiber, I am going to return it to my garden. Look at this. This is what takes a little longer time doing, but let me tell you, once you make this amazing lemonade, you are really going to continue refreshing yourself with Cooking with Gloria. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this lemonade is so refreshing, perfect for this summer. I am the queen of the lemonades. You name it. Look into my profile, Aguas Frescas Lemonades, and you will find so many different and delicious and refreshing lemonades on my channel. Well, now I am ready to start sifting Look at this, the hibiscus. Look at that color. The color is so penetrated and the flavor the same. Once you add the two combinations, then you are ready. You are ready to add your lemon juice, your simple syrup. And remember, when you use your simple syrup, you are actually using less sugar than if you add the granulated sugar directly into your lemonades. This color looks so beautiful. And the aroma, oh, just amazing. Look at this. Let me show you how it looks. Look at the color. The color looks amazing and the aroma so refreshing. I added on my picture some ice, some slices of lemon, and now this is where the magic begins and the refreshment that you are going to enjoy. You're thirsty? Make this amazing lemonade. I can't wait to enjoy, so I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing watermelon hibiscus lemonade. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Amazing, refreshing. The combination of the watermelon and the hibiscus, just perfection, made at home. You need to try it. You need to make it and enjoy it like I enjoy it here with my beautiful family. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you didn't, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.